Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, welcome to your reading. This is a reading for the first week of February. Please keep in mind to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is for everyone. I'm going to speak of whatever energy is reflecting in front of me through the cards. All right. So, from the wisdom of the oracle deck, let's see what message the spirit guides have for you. Before we delve into the reading, request you guys to please take a deep breath. Breathe in all the love, all the peace, all the harmony. Be grateful for whatever you have today. Be grateful for whatever left. It is always serving for your highest good. Breathe out all the negative emotions that you are holding on to. Let go of anything that doesn't belong to you anymore. Breathe in all the universal love, the universal energy. The universal energy is only pure love. That is the highest form of vibration that you will ever experience. Breathe in the universal consciousness that you are. Realize the oneness. Feel that oneness that keeps us all connected. Breathe out any sadness, any past hurt. Breathe out any anxiety that you feel. Breathe in all the healing, all the love. And be grateful for all that you have today. Be in the now. Be in this moment. Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, this message is for you. You could be Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This message could also be for cross watchers. So if you are a cross watcher and you are dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, this could be your energy that I am speaking about. Show me what I need to speak. Help me to speak the messages clearly for my Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That's it. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Got this. Somebody got this before. The air sign got this card before. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, you get go the distance. Then you have serendipity. Serendipity is, to me, the Wheel of Fortune card. Good luck is shining in your life. You need to just take that leap of faith. Water sign, whatever it is, take that leap of faith. That is your absolute bliss. That is meant for you. Are you feeling challenged here? Are you feeling challenged with something in your life? I saw the Chariot. Why this word challenge is quite strong. I feel it very strongly. What is it that you are facing? Take that leap of faith and move forward. Good luck is shining. Good fortune. Trust and just take that leap of faith. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's the message from the wisdom of the oracle. Alright, that's it. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, water signs. Let's see what's the message for you. Okay, the earth sign also had judgment. I guess the earth sign. Yeah, I guess it's the earth sign that had judgment for the overall energy of the reading. Alright. You could be dealing with an earth sign. Wow, okay. All right. Water sign. Some things could have come to a sudden end, and that's the challenge maybe you are facing. Whatever ideas you have at this point in time, I guess it's time for you to decide what resonates with your soul, what is it that you truly want to do, and then just go with it. Take that leap of faith. I think you will find your success there. You may already feel, some of you, I'm guessing that you are feeling that you've lost something, that you can never get it back, you can never be where you were. So, whatever burden that you are carrying from the past that maybe suddenly came to an end, it's time to put that down. It's time for complete acceptance and surrender. Surrender so that you can heal completely and move into a new balanced state of being. For some of you, I'm guessing it's about a relationship. That you need to put down, that you need to let go. It may not be the end of a relationship completely. It can be end of a pattern, end of a cycle between you two. Whatever the case, put that pattern down to move up a notch, to take the next step forward. You may be feeling dejected at this point. You could be sabotaging things by getting stuck in your head. So be aware of what your mindset is at this moment, what you are thinking, what you are speaking, what you are feeling is what you are creating for yourself. I think this is the most commonly said line in all my videos. Heal from whatever it is that you need healing. If it is your work that has come to an end, water sign, don't feel this is not the end of the world. You are always the creator of your own life, of your own destiny. If not this, then there is always something else, and we should never forget that aspect. If not this time, there is always a next time. Some of you I think it's time for the water signs. Water signs are very emotional beings and always think from the heart. I think it's time to think from your mind. Listen to what your mind is saying. What is most logical at this point in time for you to do? What is the most practical step forward? What is the most wise decision to take right now with all that you have experienced in your life so far? I think a little guarded, closed off from your heart. When I say closed off from your heart, doesn't mean that you need to close off your heart completely. It means it's time to give your heart some rest and think from your mind. So there is a balance of how you feel and how you think. Don't get too caught up in your head, but be a little logical and practical about things right now. There's something that's put you on a waiting mode, it seems here. And the more you feel that you are put on this, which even I feel at times, that I'm waiting for something to happen in life. But just remember, if you've been asked to wait, there is something that needs to be healed. There is healing that needs to take place, water signs. You need to heal to be able to move forward and take a passionate action towards something. There is something that you are passionate about. Okay. All right. Ooh. We have the Knight of Wands, and now it's clarified by the Knight of Cups. Something that you love to do. Some of you, this could be a new love coming in. Before this person comes in, it is time for you to let go of whatever that is that did not or doesn't serve you anymore. Let go of it. You and the person coming in are at the same level. Both are Knight, so you have the same level of maturity, same level of understanding. So equal give and take. It's going to be a balanced relationship. It need not be love. It could be. You could be getting help from somebody. When you move forward, or somebody could be helping you move forward in life. I guess that's the message for you guys. Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I just somewhere heard that some of you could be moving to a different place where you could possibly meet somebody new. In terms of your life, time to be practical and logical about things. Being the water sign that you are, don't get too caught up with emotions and feelings. Time to heal and step forward. That's the message from the tarot For Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, let's see what one last message from the Oracle. What does the Oracle have for you? We can move it here. The divine guidance for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio for their way forward. What is the message for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio? Message for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio to help them move forward. What is it that they need to know for their highest good? Last message for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is one last shuffle also. Alright. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, the message for you. Guiding you. Wow, okay. We have Lord Hanuman here from the Yogic Path Oracle deck. Let's see what is Lord Hanuman trying to tell you here. God of courage. Hanuman represents the evolved mind and the potential we all have to no longer be enslaved to our thoughts but rather surpass them. When Lord Rama asks Hanuman, "How do you look upon me?" Hanuman answers, "When I believe I am the body, then I am your faithful servant. When I know I am the soul, I know myself to be a spark of your eternal light. When I have the vision of the truth, you and I, my Lord, are one and the same." To draw upon Hanuman symbolizes you are aware of this truth. You are more than your physical body, your ego self, your personality, your soul. The truth is that you are the divine, as we all are, split from the same source. Continue to practice meditative states where you are reminded of this universal truth to aid in your evolvement. Alright, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, please, whatever the decision you will make for your highest good, remember to be in the state of flow. Don't get caught up in your head too much. Be wise when you make any decision. Whatever you decide for yourself will bring in good fortune and luck. Be positive about your outlook in life. I guess that's the message I have for you guys, water signs. I hope this has resonated with at least, if not all of you, at least the most of you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. See you soon. Bye-bye.